barbecue. We're about to go ahead and try some brisket. We ran out of beef ribs today. Unfortunately, we came a little late. You had to get in line literally around 6:30 to actually get beef ribs. So we'll try the brisket, see what's up, and then after this, we're gonna hit up Terry Black's, and hopefully they got beef ribs there. So I'll let you guys know what's going on in just a minute. All right, so you know, the unfortunate news was they ran out of beef ribs. I mean, I was so upset. But it is what it is, though. We still got some brisket, and we got some of that smoked turkey. So I'm gonna try it out, see what's good, and then we're gonna hit up Terry Black's and see. Hopefully, we can get some beef ribs there. All right, so let's go ahead and sample the brisket. Oh, look at that! Oh man, that stuff just falling apart. Oh my god! Wow! And this is falling off, melting good. It wasn't no joke. See, I don't want no sauce on mine. I'm just wanting to get straight brisket with the seasoning on it. My unfortunate event was I had some stubs the Friday we got here, and it was a complete letdown. The food at Stubbs, only thing good about it was the turkey. Everything else had no flavor. It was like they were dependent on the sauce to make it taste good. You know, no disrespect to Stubbs, but I mean, you guys got to kick it up there, man. I had some flavor. But Franklin's, the brisket is awesome, man. Let's go ahead and try the turkey. A piece of that turkey. Oh my god. Wow. There's a reason why you wait 3 to 4 hours in line for this stuff. That stuff is on point. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this up, hit up Terry Black's, and let y'all see what's up. So check back with me.